Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. This is Prasad KDR. Hi, how are you all? I wish you all are fine. I'm back with another video. Today I will show you how to mount a GoPro on the helmet. First of all, I'll show you all the accessories, whatever you need to have to mount a GoPro on the helmet. This is my helmet. I got it in a nearby store. This is my helmet. I got it in a nearby store. And you need to have your GoPro. This is my GoPro Hero 8 action camera, and you need to have this chin mount strap. I got it on Amazon. Along with this chin mount strap, you will get front mount. We call it as front mount. And you need to have your GoPro adapter. This is GoPro adapter. You need to have your GoPro adapter. And the most important thing is you need to have your Ulanzi protective case for your GoPro. You need to buy it in separate. This is very crucial. It is mandatory. Why? Because even if your GoPro falls down, nothing happens to your GoPro. You need to buy it in separate. And the last thing you need to have is this pin. This pin. That's it. These are the accessories we need to have to mount GoPro on the helmet. Now we'll get into the video. I'll show you how to mount a GoPro on the helmet. Why I had to buy new helmet is I'll show you my previous helmet. This is my previous helmet. Have been using this helmet for 6 years. It's been almost 6 years. As you can see, there are scratches on the glass of this helmet. Just because of the scratches on the glass of this helmet, I had to buy a new helmet. Why? Because when I'm traveling in the night, I couldn't see the road properly. Initially I thought to buy just glass of this helmet, but I didn't get anywhere in the city. So I chose to buy new helmet. Now I will show you how to mount a GoPro on the helmet. First of all, let me show all the features of this helmet. This is Aeronautics Steel Butt SCA2. I got it in a nearby store. They have given one ventilator over here, exactly in the center point of the front side, as you can see, and one more ventilator is right above the visor, and one more ventilator is on the head right here. And there are no ventilators on the back side of this helmet. As you can see, there are no ventilators. And what else we can see? As you can see, these cushions, inside of these cushions are very soft and very comfortable. Let me wear it and show you how it feels. Yeah, it is very good, and I feel very comfortable. Why? Because the cushions are made is very soft and in a protective manner. I'll show you how to use this visor. As you can see, there is a small pin over here on the visor. Just use this pin to open your visor. Just keep it, pull it like this, and if you want to close it manually, just use this pin over here on the visor. Just keep it down like this. That's it. If you are speeding on the bike, if you want to close your glass permanently, just use this button over here. As you can see, there is a button over here. Just close this button so that your glass will not open. See, as you can see, it is not opening now. Just use this button when you are speeding on the bike. These are the features we got on this helmet. Now I'll show you how to mount a GoPro on the helmet. Now we will mount GoPro on the helmet. What you will do is take your helmet. This is my helmet, and take your chin mount strap. Take your chin mount strap. Fix this chin mount strap over here, exactly in the center point. Fix this strap over here, exactly in the center point. Fix it properly. It should not move. Like this, you fix it properly. make sure it is not move. Why? Because when you are speeding on the bike, if it is not fixed properly, it will flow away. Make sure it is not moving. That's it. Now insert your front mount. This is my front mount. Insert your front mount like this. As you can see, just insert your front mount like this. That's it. Now take your GoPro. I'll show you how to insert it. And first of all, take your Ulanzi protective case, and on the back side of this Ulanzi protective case, just take it out, this pin. Just if you pull like this, it will come out. That's it. Take out this, take out that door, and as you can see, there is a arrow mark over here. Just use this arrow mark over here. Just above the arrow mark, there is a small button. Hold this button and open this door. That's it. The door will open. Now you take your GoPro. This is my GoPro. On the GoPro also, you need to remove this door. Once one edge side of this GoPro, just open this like this. If you can see, there is a red line, that means it's open. Just open like this, it will open. If you want to remove this door, just bend it backwards slightly, it will come. That's it. You don't need to do anything. Now take your GoPro protective case and your GoPro. Insert this GoPro into the protective case. Just you insert it like this. Just you insert it like this, and after inserting, you close this door. You close this door. That's it. Now replace one more door we have removed. Replace these doors over here. That's it. And now what you do is take your adapter, GoPro adapter, and insert this GoPro adapter on the space which I have given for adapter. Just insert it like this. That's it. After inserting, what you do is keep this adapter wire on the slot which has given for the adapter. That's it. Now we are done with the setting. Now we will mount this GoPro on the helmet. Fix this GoPro on the front mount. Fix it properly. Now you take your pin. This is pin. You take your pin and fix it properly. As you can see here, we are done with mounting GoPro on the helmet. Let me wear it and show you how it feels. Yeah, I'm feeling very comfort, and this is the overall setup I have given for you all, guys. Yeah, that's it for the video. This is the complete guide to mount GoPro on the helmet. If you like my video, please subscribe, share and comment. See you all in the next video. Thank you everyone.